If you've forgotten your GOG password or you just want to change it for security reasons, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It only takes a minute, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to reset your GOG password safely and correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software and account tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gog.com. Then log into your account using your current credentials. Once you're signed in, move your mouse over your username or profile name at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Order and Settings. This will take you to your account settings area where you can manage important login details and preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Login and Security option and click it. This section contains your account security settings, including your password controls. Now, locate the password field. Next to it, you should see a Change button. Click that button to begin the password reset process. After you click Change, GOG will send a verification email to the email address linked to your account. Open your inbox and look for the message from GOG. Inside that email, you'll find a secure link that lets you change your password. Click the link, then follow the on-screen instructions to create your new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to store it somewhere safe. Once you confirm the change, your GOG password will be updated and you can sign in again using your new login details. And that's it. Your GOG password has been reset successfully. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.